Hello, today we will be doing Neetcode number 8. Number 8 will be a binary search. So in binary search, we are doing looking at an array, and we're going to try to find our target in O log n time. So this means that we need to reduce the number of possibilities where our answer might exist by half each time. I guess by log, I guess that means by log of 2. So anyways, so we need to be able to cut our possible items by half. To do that, we have a left and right pointer, and we create a midpoint between the two. If the target is greater than the midpoint, then that means the left half is not important, and we move the left to the midpoint plus 1. If the target is smaller than the midpoint, then we lose the right half and move the right to the midpoint. Otherwise, a midpoint minus 1, because midpoint doesn't mean is no longer useful. If it is the target, then we just return. So that's all. So we're going to set left to 0 and right to the last index of nums minus 1. So while left is less than or equal to r, so that means while left and right, while they have not crossed each other, that means there's still a possibility that we can find our particular location. Mid is equal to left plus the right minus left divided by 2. We're going to floor it because we don't want an integer. And we also don't want to do a left plus right divided by 2, because if we had a really big long list, the problem would be that we might do an index out of bounds because we have an overflow of numbers. Suppose we had r is like basically the 4 billion, which is the last number possible, and we add l, which is, let's say, in the middle, and 4 billion plus 2 billion is like 6 billion, and we are index out of bounds. I mean, number overflow. Well, that's for, I think, a 32-bit number, but 64 bits going to be much larger. So, was it 32-bit? Yes. Hopefully, I'm right about that. So, so if the nums of mid, let's say it is less than the target. So our number is less than the target. What does that? What we do is, now that our target is bigger than our current number, left is going to be mid plus 1, because we want to check we no longer need those numbers on the left side. So else if nums of mid is greater than the target, right is equal to mid minus 1. Else return mid. Because we found it. Return -1 if we don't find anything. Let's run the code and submit. Okay, great. And that is how you solve binary search. Well, if you have any questions, please comment below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, check the link in the description below for more. That is all. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good one.